In today's video, I'll teach you how to combine videos on TikTok. So first of all, open the TikTok application. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Initially, you'll be to the home interface. So if you would like to combine the multiple videos, it is actually very simple. Tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to create the videos on TikTok. If you want to combine multiple videos, simply tap on the photo icon that you can see at the bottom. After you do that, you'll be able to upload the photos and videos. So what you have to do is simply tap on the videos that you would like to combine. Now after you select the videos, tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, you can see over here your post will be created with those videos. What you can do is simply tap on this icon that you can see on the screen. After you do that, what you can do is simply trim the videos. You can also make other edits. After you're done editing the video, you can simply tap on the arrow icon. After that, you can go ahead and post the combined videos. Likewise, you'll also be able to combine the videos with other people. For that, what you have to do is go back. Now in the home interface, find the video with which you would like to combine your video. Now tap on the share icon that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find the options like report, not interested, etc. Simply scroll to the right. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for stitch. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to create the stitch with this video. First of all, simply select the part of video that you would like to be included in your videos. After you do that, tap on the next option. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to record your own video and combine with that particular video. Simply hit the record icon. Now after you do that, you can tap on the right icon. Now your video will be combined with that particular video. So like this too, you'll be able to combine the videos. So that is how you combine videos on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.